India, the world's most populous country with 1.43 billion people, is home to 8 major religions, with Hinduism as the dominant faith. Christians make up 2.3% of the population. India also boasts vast linguistic diversity with 19,500 languages and dialects.
Greetings to you from Southern Asia Division. Southern Asia Division unites 3 nations, India, Bhutan and Maldives.
Maldives. This island nation of around 500,000 population follows Islam as its state religion. Bhutan, a Buddhist nation with a population of 800,000. Secretariat Report.
The Office of Secretariat manages and provides services in 5 crucial areas.
Unions 7. Sections 39. Conferences 8. Regions 22. Attached fields 2. Total churches 4,598. Total companies 4,785. Total membership 1,179,867. Total kingdom growth 25,255 per annum. CFO report.
Financial year 23-24, we saw an increase of 9% in tithe and an immense 20% significant growth in offering.
The Treasury Department plays a crucial role in managing and stewarding financial resources, promoting transparency and supporting the Church's mission. Ministerial Association.
Each family can have one minister.
Achievements. I Will Go and TMI.
I Will Go initiative inspired our believers to herald the Advent message.
The I Will Go and TMI plan outlines 10 key objectives across mission, spiritual growth, and leadership, using media, evangelism, education, health, publishing, and outreach to share the 3 angels' messages.
I will go have encouraged and strengthened each one of us.
Back to the altar.
There is a great difference in the way people worship now after participating in Back to the Altar.
Daily worship and Bible readings are transforming lives, promoting a place for God in every heart and home.
They have been trained to herald the 3 angels' message.
Trainings are being provided to department directors, elders, youth, and lay people. Revival and Reformation.
We have given the instructions to the local field sections and conferences.
The General Conference's 777 initiative has inspired a spiritual awakening and unity. Members and institutions are actively adhering to the 777 prayer times. East Himalayan region.
And it is a Buddhist country and where evangelism is prohibited.
It now has 19 churches, 12 church buildings, 32 small groups, and 934 members, served by 2 ordained pastors, 3 pastoral workers, and 17 volunteers. Andaman and Nicobar region.
Welcome to the Andaman Nicobar region of Seventh-day Adventist Church, a mission field of Southern Asia Division.
The work includes a kindergarten, school, as part of the education ministry, and recently 2 Bible workers have opened a new mission frontier in the remote Little Andaman region. House churches. House churches have reached unentered areas where there are no churches due to building cost barriers. Through the Holy Spirit, conversions have occurred and there are now 848 house churches. Reaching out to migrants and refugees. India houses numerous refugees, especially from Myanmar. Our church caters to their emotional and spiritual needs. The Delhi Metro has a church in Sitapuri for Burmese refugees. Maldives, with a limited Adventist presence, mostly among migrants. Southern Asia Division, South Tamil Conference, and AWR are working to establish house churches.
Department Activities 2022-2025.
Sabbath School.
To bring people and train them as disciples.
Our mission is to foster fellowship, outreach, and mission-minded Bible study. A division-wide advisory in Pune gathered over 1,800 delegates. Sabbath school books were printed in major Indian languages. Sidewalk evangelism.
Our lay people are getting involved in this sidewalk evangelism, visiting house to house.
Members and pastors have actively participated. Stewardship.
And I want them to be faithful in returning the tithe faithfully to the Lord.
Over 1,200 church members have received training for stewardship, support local and global missions. Youth ministries.
As a result of our revival meetings, number of boys and girls came forward and
The
accepted
Global Youth
Jesus
Day initiative
as the personal
encourages youth involvement in community outreach, including visits to hospitals, orphanages, and destitute homes, also distributing food, medicine, and school supplies. Over 2,500 delegates participated in the Youth Congress. Children's ministries.
Conduct VBS programs in many churches as well as in the remote places.
By equipping churches, families, and caregivers with resources and training to help nurture a lifelong relationship with Jesus. An advisory was held in Hapur along with training sessions conducted at various levels. Women's ministries.
A division-wide advisory was held at Pune.
107 students have graduated and 48 women's congresses offered training across unions and conferences. Global Mission. Global Mission is the frontline outreach of our division, with a special focus on the 1040 window to reach urban and suburban areas through targeted evangelism. Currently, 290 volunteers are engaged in 300 mission projects across the Southern Asia Division. Special ministries.
And this department, we have challenges to reach across the globe.
With over 2,280 volunteers. These are frontline evangelists who work to enter in unentered territories. Public campus ministries. Public campus ministries aim to ground young people in Adventist truth and empower them to share Jesus on campuses. 5 congresses across Southern Asia Division gathered over 1,500 delegates. Adventist Child Care. Since 2005, Adventist Child India has supported over 1,400 students in 34 schools across 16 states in India. The program helps children from poor Adventist families. Adventist Possibilities Ministries. We focus on these 7 branches: bereavement for spousal loss, blind and low vision, caregiver support, physical immobility, deaf and hard of hearing, mental health, orphans and vulnerable children. This ministry operates 2 special schools and 4 orphanages. Communication Department.
Bringing the knowledge of saving grace to the people through the Department of Communication.
A division-wise advisory was conducted via Zoom, and 121 training sessions were held at various levels. Adventist Media Center.
By producing programs in 8 major languages of India.
Through FM, shortwave and social media. Its flagship production center is the Adventist Media Center in Pune. Adventist World Radio. It focuses on broadcasting, evangelism and publishing with 8 regional studios in India and 29 internet studios in tribal languages, supported by 75 plus missionaries for follow-up work. Center for Digital Evangelism. AWR has established 2 CDEs in India, spiritual call centers where digital missionaries use digital tools to nurture people online in biblical truth. AWR plans to expand by establishing more centers across unions within the Southern Asia division. Hope Channel India. This is a satellite channel and has 22 YouTube channels producing programs in 25 different languages in India. Oriental Watchman Publishing House.
In the last 3 years, we could produce literature in 15 plus languages.
The publishing house has produced and distributed over 1 million missionary books, educational materials, health literature, and the Spirit of Prophecy writings in more than 15 languages.
We printed Great Controversy in Mizo language, and we already distribute around 30,000 copies.
Southern Asia Division, Education Department.
We have started 4 new colleges in Southern Asia Division.
Our aim is to empower students for holistic development in physical, mental, social and spiritual growth. Metas.
And we are going forward with God as the captain of our ship.
Metas operates 2 day schools, 3 boarding schools, 1 management college, 4 nursing schools, 3 nursing colleges, 1 multidisciplinary university, and 3 hospitals. Annually, over 300 nursing professionals graduate. Medical Trust. Our mission is to provide healthcare and improve well-being in undeserved areas, supported by dedicated doctors and nurses. Spicer Adventist University
is a pioneer institution of 7-day Adventist higher education.
403 pastors and 216 teachers over the past 5 years, offering 27 courses in business, science and theology. In 2022, it launched its Doctor of Ministry program. Maranatha India. 2010 churches, 9 elementary education centers, 233 tsunami relief houses, 147 toilets, 42 school campuses, 233 buildings, 408 classrooms. ADRA India. ADRA India reached 1.92 million people through 26 projects in health, livelihood, education, protection, and humanitarian response, with a 53% increase in project volume and a 24% rise in fund utilization per beneficiary. Future plans. As we look ahead, let us work together with urgency, assured that Christ's return is hastened through united efforts.